3PL EDI process problems and solutions. 3PLs deal in several industries such as retail, manufacturing, automotive, and textile. And because they're involved in multiple industries, they need to remain flexible to handle multiple types of data. 3PLs have a very busy supply chain process where they're involved in data exchange every day and all the time. The amount of data they handle every day is so huge that doing it via emails or paperwork becomes practically impossible. That's why 3PLs use EDI for speed and data accuracy. Let's look at the kinds of processes involved in 3PL that demand EDI integrations. The first one is inventory management, which helps both 3PL and its customers in keeping a check of their inventory levels. It helps them with restocking whenever they are low on inventory, so they are always ready to ship whenever there is an order. The EDIs used for inventory updates are EDI 846 and EDI 947. Next, we have shipping, which is entirely a 3PL's job. It handles an order from the warehouse to a buyer's doorstep while sending updates to its customers. So, whenever a 3PL receives an order from its customers saying a buyer has requested this product, the 3PL will track and arrange the delivery for it and send EDI 856 followed by EDI 945 and EDI 943 to update the customer. Another process is receiving, which is basically restocking the inventory. Whenever the inventory levels at a warehouse goes down, the customer of a 3PL will initiate the next shipment and also send EDI 850. 3PL responds to restocking with EDI 944 and EDI 861. When we want to learn about the problems faced by 3PL with respect to EDI, there are only two major issues that need our attention. One's that 3PL can never standardize its EDI process for all its customers because of the diversity of industries. It can even differ between two customers belonging to the same industry. So, building a new EDI process for every customer is a major pain point. The second problem is that compared to the time and effort a 3PL business puts into serving customers, they rarely make high profits. At this point, they cannot risk bad decisions while making any investments, even in the case of EDIs. So, what is a good EDI investment? Let's take a look at what an ideal software solution for 3PL must provide. First, it should provide the ability to customize EDI processes. There should be tools that can make customizations faster and easier. Next, it should be suitable for in house or managed EDI services, whether they want to build their own EDI team, which is a more suitable option for 3PLs today, or they want to outsource EDI. The software should be compatible for both. And the third quality is that the EDI software should support API as it is the need for modern integrations, be it with ERP, supply chain systems, PMS, or warehouse management systems. What to expect from EDI vendors? There are several EDI vendors in the market who offer EDI services in their own ways. So, to avoid any confusion while looking for an EDI service for 3PL, here is what your EDI vendor should provide. The first thing is higher return on investment and shorter turnaround time because of the thinner financial margins of 3PLs, and also any delays with the orders can result in financial penalties or losses. Second, they should provide EDI for all types of business cases and EDI standards because each customer may bring very unique requirements, and you cannot lose a customer just because your EDI vendor doesn't meet the requirements. In conclusion, 3PLs should find a way to reduce manual labor and automate their process as much as they can. It is best for 3PLs to use EDI or API for communication and have an in house team to look over the process. If a 3PL EDI integration is well planned, it will speed up all the operations and also support the business while upscaling. Visit our insights to learn more about 3PL EDI integrations. Happy integrations.